What's up, fellas? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, we have something new on the bench, and this has been something I've kind of been in and out of, and you guys know that I messed the paint job up on this because I use a different paint that I'm not used to. But my buddies from Scale Finishes hooked me up, and we're gonna go ahead and shoot this thing again. We're gonna get it all done up again and in primer, and we'll start shooting paint up on here. So this is the USAC build, which it's a group build that we're all doing. The Unified Scale Model Car Creator Content Creator build. And I chose the 70 Plymouth Roadrunner. So this is what we're gonna build. And I'm doing a bunch of work to this. And I'm gonna start another kit, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. So I just got this back out, and I've got the chassis all done, and I'm taking some of the stuff from the wheel wells and stuff out of here because I didn't like it. So this is kind of still under a chopping block here. So we're chopping that up, and we're doing stuff to that. But this next build that I'm doing right here is for a build that the show in Utah, the GSL's doing, the 29 Model A Roadster. So this here is a kit I picked up a while back. My wife picked it up for me, and I'm going to be using this kit. So I'm going to see what I can do with this. I don't know what I'm going to do to it yet. We're just gonna go with the flow with this kit. So we should just open her up real quick. I'll do a what's in the box on it, and this video can be a what's in the box at the same time. It's gonna be my build for the Utah thing. I don't know what they call it, a common kit or something like that for that build, but let's check it out. Let's see what's in this box here. Here's the box art. Some pretty cool box art. I don't know how we're gonna build it yet. I don't know what motor I'm gonna put in here, what I'm gonna do to it. We're just gonna have to see. I don't know how many reviews I'm gonna do on this, how many kit updates. Let's just take a look at what this kit has here. So, for the wheels and tires, they look to be kind of skinny. I don't know if I'll use those, but we'll see. I built one of these kits already. You can look back in the archives and see. It was yellow, I think. I don't know how much of this I'll use. Might use a decal or two. I don't know, maybe. We'll see. The decals are kind of different on here. Not sure what I'm going to use. So let's see, the glass, I won't open that. That's just kind of common glass here. I'm sure you can use different headlight buckets. Maybe. That's kind of cool. Looks like different headlights in here. We'll crack open the chrome. Let's see here. Oh, I got a dull blade on there, huh, guys? I'll cut it off camera so you guys don't see me cut my finger off. Let's see here. There's the grill. Okay. Wow, look at this window frame. It's kind of tweaked. Look at that. I know what we're going to do with that, guys. Wow. Already starting off to a bad start. Let's see here. Some more of the chrome package. Some of the wheels, I don't think I'll use those. Yep, different buckets there. Beauty rings. Different steering wheels. Kind of like this one. Pretty cool. Let's see what's in here. From what I remember, the 30 and the 29 had some sort of confusion in the parts thing where they sent the wrong parts, and I don't remember the whole gist of the whole thing. There we go. Okay, it looks like different exhausts. Ah, there you go. Maybe some exhaust go out the side or something. Interior sides, inside. Seat, the firewall. See, there's another seat here, so it's got to have 2 different seats. Another firewall. So I wonder if this happened again with this kit. Maybe it's a lowboy or something, I don't know. Channeled. Looks like there's 2 of everything. I wish there was 2 windshields. Or 2 windshield frames. So we're going to see how we're going to build this thing. Wow, pretty cool. Lots of parts in this thing. The engine, which I'm not so sure I'm going to use it or not. Might go in the extra parts box here. See what's in here. Here's the body. Let's see what this body is all about. I know the last one had some sort of issue on the door that I built. Yeah, this one seems to be okay. Good deal. I can work with that. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. This review is just a quick review to let you know what's in the box, and maybe you guys want to buy one, maybe you don't, I don't know. So here's a rear end. Looks like a 9-inch. There's the floor. There you go, the pan. All right, I don't know what this is for. Maybe it's for a top or something. Different steely wheels. I like this. The drum brakes, the covers. All right, excellent, guys. So this is pretty much the kit. So I don't know how helpful that was to anybody. If you guys enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. This is going to be the next kit that we start. So here's my big mess, my box of crap. I don't know why you guys watch this crap, but I sure do appreciate it. Why do you watch this crap? So lots of cool stuff happening with the channel. We got something really exciting coming up in the next couple days. Or be on the lookout for that video. It's going to be a few of us popping that video up. I'm not allowed to say anything, but I'm kind of excited to say something. So you guys will hear it here probably Friday. So anyway, with that being said, I'm going to get off and, get off the channel. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell, tell your friends, share the video. I appreciate it. Everything helps. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. You guys all take care. Have a good one. See ya.